Welcome everyone to yet another Klever Live where we take you deeper into the world of Bitcoin, crypto, blockchain, and the Klever ecosystem. Sorry for a few slight technical delays. Sometimes it's out of our reach, but we're a few minutes late, but we're here, and what a show we have for you guys today. Thank you all for being here. Your support really means the entire world for us. There is really nothing we do without you, our users, our community, wherever you are in the world. So thank you. And make sure to like, share this video, and of course, subscribe to the YouTube channel to stay updated. Our guest today, we'll be talking to someone who is truly one of the people driving the innovation, the organization, and the management behind the KleverChain building project. We might also get a surprise guest with a live demo of a product going live very, very shortly on KleverChain that, in my eyes, will be completely game changing in its own industry. But of course, for the Klever ecosystem, he'll be joining us a while in, so stay tuned. Our main guest is full of experience, knowledge, positivity, and passion, any natural leader. He also happens to have one of the most immaculate beards who's ever walked on the face of this earth. Allow me to welcome our friend, the product manager of KleverChain and Klever Labs, Duka.
Hi everyone, how are you guys? Misha, it's my pleasure to be here again with you and with the all Klever community to talk about KleverChain and these amazing Klever products. I'm so excited to be here.
And I am so excited to have you here because I've been waiting to get you on, and at an opportune time because we work so closely together, and you just come with, like I said, so much passion and so much drive and so much smile from your heart that it's infectious to the entire team and to the entire community. I promise you that. It's great to have you here, truly. We're going to talk about KleverChain. We're going to talk about Klever Labs. We're going to talk about the different metrics, the performance, the rollout phases. But before we go into that, it's your first Klever Live solo. So we might know you, but a lot of people don't know you. So can you tell us a little bit more about yourself, your origins, your professional background, and how come you decided to join the KleverChain?
Okay. Yeah, my friend. I'm from Brazil, Salvador, Bahia. A beautiful place with a gorgeous landscape, warm and nice beaches, and happy people as well. We enjoy so much parties, beers, and etc. I am a graduate in system analysis and postgraduate in decentralized system. And I've been working with technology for 21 years. About Klever, I met Dio and David a long time ago. We worked together in a company in Salvador, Bahia, and we always shared some ideas regarding how one company must work and how must be the company environment with the co-workers, how the technology may change this scenario, this relationship. And in the last year, David called me and said, "Hey man, you and I are creating the company of our dreams. and we want and we want you with us." Misha, man, it was the more easy and the more right decision that I have done in my life. Now I'm here, motivated, and fall in love with what we are building here in Klever.
And your infectious love has also made us fall in love with your style and with your drive, because there is a lot of things happening all the time. in Klever in general, but especially with the KleverChain development and Klever Labs. So, let's talk a little bit more about your role. You're today the product manager of KleverChain and Klever Labs. What does that entail? What are your responsibilities? What's your role on a day-to-day basis? And how does the tech team manage its work with so many squads and products? And how do you make that all come together?
Okay, as a product manager of KleverChain, I need to stay tuned with what the community needs, what the market needs, what the partners needs, and consolidate all the wishes with the KleverChain, the tech team. Okay. By the way, we have a fantastic team in KleverChain, head by Sobrera and Yuri. Fantastic, man. Great guys, fantastic professionals, incredible. As a product manager of labs, I need to concern with all the other Klever products, the new features, the new release, etc. Why that? Because the labs teams are the responsible for the integration of our Klever products with a lot of chains and a lot of services in the Klever. The labs teams do it. Okay. Although it's not so easy, really, I love so much what I'm doing here, and achievements like this, like the release, the KleverChain, motivates me so much to continue doing.
Yeah, and I do want to add something for also our viewers who are live here or with us post recording. The professionalism that Duka has brought into the structure and communication between the different squads and teams have really elevated the deliverables to a new level. And it's a real pleasure and joy to have someone with 21 years of experience in tech, as well as postgrad in decentralized technologies and distributed technologies. So it comes with a lot of weight beyond the beautiful smile. So let's start with the launch of KleverChain itself. How was the launch in the team's view, and how has the community's reaction been?
Oh, fantastic. In our point of view, the launch of the KleverChain has been a huge success. We have been getting amazing results, more than we expected. Since launch, we have been working hard to improve it day by day the KleverChain. I believe that the KleverChain is a game-change product for Klever. The KleverChain opened a new world of possibilities. Web 3.0, K-apps as a native and reliable solution, and an easy way to create assets, create tokens, new solutions, and a new way to change the world, of course. So, what I can say regarding the community, man? First of all, I love you guys. You rock. The community is our stamina, the reason for we are here now and we are doing what we are doing. We received a lot of messages on Twitter, Discord, Telegram with congrats, support messages, suggestions for improvements, and we are using this suggestion and this energy to create always the best solution for them, for our Klever fam.
Fantastic. As we rolled out KleverChain from the beginning, we had clear set rollout phases that lasted each a week. What have we achieved so far during the rollout of new features per phase?
Okay, man. First of all, I want to explain why we decided to spread the launch out in the phase. Okay, we believe that is the way we can feel better the increase of the user, follow the behavior of our environment, listen to the community report step by step, make improvements, and take care of our baby. By the way, the KleverChain was born about 1 month ago.
It's 4 weeks. 4 weeks.
Yes,
That's it.
4 weeks.
28
Yes,
days. 4 weeks today.
yes, man. Yes, yes. So we have released a lot of features and products until now, which I can highlight some. In phase one, we had send and receive KLV and KFI and Klever 4 and Klever 5 as well. The release of KleverChain Mainnet Explorer, the release of KApps demo page for developers. We released 2 swap bridge on Klever 4, KLV TRC20 to KLV KDA and return as well. And in phase 2, we had the swap of K5 TLC20 to K5 KDA. In the next phase, the phase 3, we had send and receive KLV and K5 in Klever Custody. Klever Custody is our custody solution is in open test. Okay. Other swaps, bridge swaps in KLV, such as KLV to LTC, KLV to USDT, KLV to BTC, KLV to Ethereum, and others. We had the hackathon dev competition results. It's a great moment for us. We have got a lot of great ideas submitted on the hackathon. We prized the best one. However, I want to say thank you to all runners. We know that you are in the new environment, using new technology, and we know that is not so easy. I want to mention the winners projects quickly. In the marketplace NFT, the winners was the Sky Gallery project with a beautiful and powerful solution for the marketplace. In the game category, the winner was the DexBack project with a secure, reliable, and funny casino online. In the last one category, the innovation, we had 3 winners. The first one as the Sena Analytics project, which bring to us an analysis platform for Web3. The second one was the Crypto Registry project, with a security way to sign documents over KleverChain. Fantastic project as well. And the third one was Q1 nodes, red nodes, which a good idea, a good way to use IoT over KleverChain. Fantastic idea. And you guys can see all these projects on our homepage, klever.finance/hackathon. Okay. We are now in phase 4. The huge moment of this phase was the conclusion of the KLV mainnet migration stake program. It was a great moment for KleverChain. All the KLV road holders have they received your assets staked in KleverChain. And now, as I said before, we are create a rich environment for what's coming, Misha. I really believe that.
And so do I. And speaking of a rich environment, we do have a secret guest, as I hinted a few times today. So we're going to bring him on. He's someone you know. He's been with us a few times, and he's building an absolutely game-changing platform for NFTs in music on top of KleverChain. Let me welcome our friend, Felipe Rieger.
Hey, Misha. Hi, Duka. Hey, everyone.
Hi.
How's it going?
How are you, man?
I'm great, bro. I'm great. Missing you already.
We see you soon. See you soon. Not many days until we will all meet in Brazil in
Yes.
August. Yes, for the Klever Camp. Many things will go down before and during that event, I'm sure you. But we are here because Rieger have a little bit of space, of window, to showcase a live demo of what has been built in the background, in silence, by he and his team. So please guide us through, share your screen, and let us know everything that is happening on that side.
So guys, I brought you here 7 videos. Actually, we are finishing this version. We are going live in less than 2 weeks. So I'm gonna show you 7 videos that I think that you're gonna like it.
As Duka says, fantastic.
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 Are you seeing?
Not yet.
Not yet. Let me check it.
There we go.
That's it?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so in the first video, I'm gonna show you guys how easy it will be to mint inside our platform on the Launchpad. So I think that you guys know this collection that we are going to mint. So you select your blockchain, and we are creating some collectible collections. So it's very easy. You put your name, you set up the description, the abbreviation, you set up the max supply of your collection, the royalties, where is going to be the wallet that we're going to receive the royalties. You add all the social pages for your collection, and that's it. You can mint and send to the KleverChain network. So the transactions go really fast. And then you have your collection already minted. It's very, very easy. So you can do it in minutes, and the platform is going to help you achieve the launch that you want. So in the second video, I'm going to show you how fast it is to manage your collection with our new Launchpad. So after you mint your collection, you can go to the settings, and you can create your INO page. So you have the collection. Your next step is to sell your collection, to promote your collection. So you can do it in just 3 clicks. Here is it interesting because you'll be able to select the type of your sale. If it's going to be like a marketplace, it's going to be like a blind sale. Blind sale is when you sell to the community, and the network sends the NFT in a blind way. So you don't know what is going to buy you are buying. So you also you have editions, and you also have the membership model. So you decide how much the maximum the user is going to buy it, and the tokens that you can accept. So you also have the whitelist system to make the pre-launch, and that's it. Your collection you'll be live. Next step is to select the number of the collection, the NFTs that you want to mint. So you just add your number, and that's it. You have the collection minted. So you have minted, for example, 50. In your supply it's 9,999. So you make it easy. And the next step is to add your metadata inside your collection. So you have the total, the supply, and this is interesting because if you guys are very you understand about the development side, it's very difficult to create the IPFS and also to create the JSON metadata and send it to the servers. So with this application, you can do it very simple, very fast. You just add the files. I sent a lot of files here in this video, so I advanced a little bit. And it goes directly to the IPFS, so it's totally decentralized. The files that you upload is never being out, so it gives a lot of trust for your collectors, and you do it just making a bulk creation. So you also can do it with the JSON files, and then you upload that, and all the files will be inside the IPFS. So you upload and you update the collection, and that's it. Your collection is ready to sell it. So the next time you have all the files that you minted, it's already on the IPFS. So you have the JSON file, you have the images all set up. So next step is to sell it. You have your collection already on the chain.
And yeah, just before you continue, just explain, this is all on chain, not only using interplanetary file system, IPFS, but also doing everything on chain for KleverChain. Can you maybe just highlight why is that important?
Yeah, that's it's important because you know that for me all the collections have to send the data and the metadata on IPFS, and after that, but if you do it all on chain, you make a huge size about the files, because all the files has a different size, and if you do it on the IPFS, you are saving on chain only the link, so it will be easier and faster for the network. So this is the way we are improving the way we mint the NFTs on KleverChain. Actually, is the standard of the market. So if you check, it's the same from all the market. But we have some different things about our chain. On the next video, I'm gonna show you how to sell it the minted collection. So you decided to go on a blind sale, and then you have your page. You don't need to code to have this page. The platform creates for you. So you're gonna make the blind sale. For example, this example for Love Monster, and yeah, that's it. The NFTs are minted on KleverChain. You have your community. You can do your whitelisting, for example, if you want to create a special promo. If you want to engage your community with holders from membership tokens, for example, you can do it, and the platforms tracks and enables for minting just people inside the whitelisting. And if you check here, it's a blind sale. So if you buy it, you can make the rules for the maximum and also the prices. You can set up the prices, and that's it. You can launch with whitelisting or without whitelisting or with the market. And once you put the page with the blind sale, everyone can buy it. So it's very easy. It's all integrated. So you can customize your page. You can change your font, your color. You can make the look and feel of the page with your brand. Here is an example with the brand from Klever, but you can do whatever you want because it's up to you. It's up to the creator. So I have a secret here. The next video.
We like secrets.
Yeah, actually, I'm gonna show you guys before the next meeting that I have in some minutes, because I'm gonna show you for the industry and the partners that are going to mint. So we're gonna mint a music collection inside KleverChain, and actually, this excites me because we call that Web3 apps. So basically, we are giving opportunity for creators to engage on the Web3 world and creating utility for the tokens in minutes. So that's the point that we are creating right here. So I'm going to show you guys a demo from a collection that we're going to mint on KleverChain. And don't check the name. It's just a demo, but I can't show yet the artists that they're going to mint inside our product, but we are using the guys love Pink Floyd, so they use Pink Floyd as a demo. And so the idea right here is to create a collection that the artist is gonna share the streaming royalties from the platforms like Spotify, Apple, and others with holders. So we are creating a single and from a track from Pink Floyd, for example. So we're gonna meet 500 tokens, and we're gonna offer 50% of the royalties from this music on Spotify and all the platforms to holders. So I can add also the legal terms from the contract inside the IPFS, and we create like token tiers. For example, here is interesting because we are going to mint 500 tokens, and we're going to share 50% of ownership of the rights of this music with holders. So, and we're going to mint three token tiers. So the first one will be the gold. I'm adding the image from the album, and we're going to mint 350 tokens for $89.9 each. And also, we can add benefits to holders like exclusive Discord access, posts from the artist. We can do everything. So the second tier, the second token we're gonna mint is the silver. I'm just making an example here. We're gonna mint 130, and the price is gonna be $399.90 dollars, and the ownership is gonna be let me check, 30% of the 50%. So we're gonna give tickets, meet and greet, and the last token edition, it will be the diamond, and we're gonna mint just 20, and it will be a higher price of $899, and the ownership is gonna be 23%. So this is a better token. So actually 23% is going to be splitted between 20 holders only. And that's it. We have the collection from music. We are going to raise $100K with these tokens. This amount goes to the artist, and the artist is giving the rights from the music to the holders. So it's a total engagement, and it's a total use case for the Web3 world. We are giving tokens, and we are connecting the Web2 to Web3. So this is very interesting, guys. And we are very excited to try it in the coming weeks. So also you can add the creator royalties, the social for the artists. You can add the Facebook, all the links. And that's it. You're ready to go. Let's do it. And you minted your first collection. The next thing is to check the page that we are going to sell the token for the artist, for example. So here in this example, you have the page. So you have the file. I'm sorry. Yeah. Let me check. Here again. Sorry, guys. So here is the page of the music. So you can add actually the track that you are selling, and the people that are going to access that and be able to buy it, the portion of this track. So here we have the example. If you check below, you see that you have all the options and the ownership. For example, if you buy the gold, you have like 0.04% of the streaming royalties. And if you buy the silver, you have the option to have 0.1% of the track in the streaming platforms. And if you get the diamond, you have the best ownership. So that's it. And we have the last video that's interesting is that if you have the video, if you have the token, and you are a holder of this token, you can check the token rewards. Actually, you are gaining royalties from this track, and you can check your rewards. And once it's available, you can claim your rewards from this music. For example, you can receive rewards from the revenue of this track, and you are engaging directly with the artist. So it's very interesting. It's the same model that you do with the staking that you know already. So once you have the rewards available, you just go inside the platform and you claim your rewards. We're gonna receive the email saying that you have the rewards, and you have actually you have new rewards to receive. And if you are the holder, you go to the platform, you connect your wallet, and you receive you claim your rewards, the same as staking. So actually, we're gonna give real utility for the real world. So yeah, and there's a lot of things coming that I wonder I will be able to talk, but right now it's just internal things.
Almost lacking words here, but the comment sections have blown up with just amazing, mind-blowing, incredible. It is truly a testimony, Rieger, what you and your team are building, that KleverChain has limitless potential and possibilities for innovation. The ability to connect a musician to their fans and engage them in a giving way where both are winning is something that you couldn't do in Web 2, but you can do in Web 2.5 and especially in Web 3. What do you think this can do for the music industry as well as for many other industries that can use Klever NFTs to benefit from?
Actually, we have a lot of use cases already being done internally. I just showed the music because I think it's a very interesting segment, and we can track the royalties, and we can make a lot of things with that. But I can say that we can do it on real estate, on brands, a lot of industries and use cases that we can do it. I'm very excited to launch this product.
Duka,
We
what
are.
do you say, man?
Yeah, fantastic, man, fantastic. Yeah, I'm very, very excited to this project. This project is really a blind mind, a blown mind, and a game change. It's amazing, man. It's amazing. As you say, Misha, it's possible because the Klever chain, the facility of the Klever chain, bring it to the developers, bring it to create new products. Fantastic, incredible. Higa, congratulations, my brother, again.
Yeah,
You're
keep
on.
pushing. I know that you have to jump into a meeting. We're holding you 8 minutes late. So unless you have a few final words to the community on this project or on KleverChain, we really, do you want to say anything last or just jump into the other meeting? It's up to you.
I just want to say thank you for the support as always, and say that I love you guys, and I'm hoping for great moments ahead. So very excited to launch this and to support the NFT community. I am also in contact with a lot of creators. You know how to find me. You just send me a message, try to find me. Let's build this ecosystem and create the best of the Web3 together. And also, just to say that in some days, maybe we're gonna see us in live spaces to join and jump inside the Web3 world. So stay tuned.
Obrigado. Thank you so much, Rieger, for the presentation, for joining. I know that you have to jump now. I'll talk to you later. Have a great day, man.
Peace, ciao.
See you,
Ciao.
Misha. See you.
Fantastic, as we say. It's
Fantastic.
really mind blowing. It's really mind blowing how the simple UI, the very intuitive user experience, and bringing those features that was not possible on other chains because there weren't royalties on chain. There weren't so many other features on chain that we've built and you and the team in KleverChain have built. So yeah, it's really mind blowing. But let's continue the conversation, Duka.
Yes.
So what can the users expect for the next few weeks, or for the next week to be specific, the last phase of the model?
Okay, man. We have saved the best for the final phase. Okay. Along the next phase, we will have listing of KFI, KDA on Klever Exchange, staking KFI, KDA on Klever 5, announcement of the rules, dates, and price of Mod 2 hackathon categories, mainnets, bug, and security bound, and contact creator. And finally, we will have the integration between Klever Browser and KleverChain Explorer in Klever 5. So guys, pay attention in this future. With this integration, the user will be able to execute all the transactions available in KleverChain through Klever 5 browsers. It's incredible. It's so easy. The next phase will be amazing.
Fantastic. And let's talk about the blockchain performance itself. A lot of blockchains launch, things work, things doesn't work. Our blockchain has been producing blocks every 4 seconds since Genesis. But let's go over some of the key stats that the Klever blockchain has been able to produce in terms of statistics and data during the few rollout phases.
Okay, Misha. I think that the best way to answer this question is showing the numbers live in the Klever Explorer. The numbers
Easiest way.
live. Let me share my screen, man. So you can see?
I think it will pop up in a second. Usually takes about 3 seconds to react. Yes.
You can see now?
We can see. Go ahead.
Sorry. Well, so let's go. Since the Genesis, we have total accounts, 10,000 accounts created since the Genesis. On total of 21,000 transactions. We have in the 16th July, we have a top of transaction because of the migration of the KV. And in blocks, we can see the number of the blocks. The cumulative number is 584,000 blocks created. Okay. We can see now the assets. Yes, the assets, a good one. We have 21 assets created since the KleverChain launched. Okay, created by community. We have the Klever assets, but the other one is created by community using our KApps demo or our SDK. Okay. We have validators. Let me see how much. We have 48 validators running, available to be eligible to run and validate in KleverChain. Okay. Let me see how nodes we had. Now, we had 115 nodes running around the world. It's a fantastic number from the KleverChain, our baby KleverChain. That's it, Misha. That's the
Amazing.
number, the performance.
Yes, so early in the game, it's really impressive and very encouraging to see these stats for sure. While we're here, do you want to do a demo of the extension?
Yes, it's supposed to
We
be
have
a
a lot of
surprise.
surprises for you guys. A lot of surprises for you guys today.
Yes.
So everybody knows, I'm sure, that we have a Klever web browser extension coming, and Duka is going to showcase that for you now.
Yes, guys. We have a Klever web browser extension. Beautiful. Not only so beautiful, so fast. So here, guys, we can see our extension. We have Tron network available, Bitcoin network available, Ethereum, BSC, and of course, KleverChain network available.
The world's
now,
top 5 networks.
The top 5 network as well. For now, as an open beta yet, we have some features. Okay, we have receive. We can receive an amount. We have send an amount. In this step, we can choose. We can say we want to say KOV or KFI. Okay, I will on live test with you guys. I will send an amount here. Just a minute. Live is good to see.
Live is the best.
That's the
Live
best.
is clever.
Live is clever. All right.
Yes, of course. That's how life is. No bullshit, just real life.
Yes. I'm sending now in my Klever 4 wallet. Okay. Let me see. Success. Let's return.
Let's see how fast the reaction comes in.
Oh my God. It's real.
It's there.
Yes. Really, really fast. The transaction comes here. Okay. Let's be another functionality, another feature. We use the Klever extension. We can connect the Klever extension and KleverChain Explorer. Let's see. Come on. It's happened.
Let's see if it reacts. But if it doesn't work now, we'll just have to have you back.
Right. Yes, no problem.
There's really, that's also the beauty of live.
Another time. No problem.
Exactly. But the Klever extension will speak about it instead if it's not reacting on the live. But what functionalities come of connecting your Klever Web extension to KleverScan?
Yes. Well, when we connect the Klever extension in KleverScan, we can able to running all the transactions in the KleverScan, all in the KleverChain, all. We can create a proposal, we can vote, we can transfer assets, create ICO, and etc. In a easy way. Just connect the extension and sign and go ahead. The another way to do it, as I said before, we can use the Klever browser. In the next week, in the next phase, we will have the Klever browser integrated in the Klever 5. And when you use open the KleverScan inside the Klever browser, we can use all the transactions. We link it with your wallet. The easy way.
Fantastic. I hear from the team now that they're currently updating the Klever Explorer. That's probably why it's not working. But we did see that there's close to 50 validators already on KleverChain. What's the plan for community validators and delegation from the community in KLV to validators?
Yes. As you saw in the Explorer, we already have community validator running. Any person that wants to become a validator should go to the doc.klever.finance and get all information step by step for how to register a validator, how to freeze KLV to stake, how to delegate frozen KLV to node, and another stuff that is necessary. Regarding delegating, just now, the user can delegate KOV frozen to any validator as you wish in Klever 5. Just staking KOV and they choose which validator you want to delegate. Easy peasy. So, Misha, since we've talked about staking, there is two ways to users earn with staking, from the delegation and from the staking itself. For now, we don't have staking rewards. And you may question me, why? Because KleverChain is a community-driven blockchain, and the users will decide the destination of this question and another ones. Kafai Rodents is a token, is a governance token. So KFI holders should create a proposal to change the rewards for staking and open for votes for another ones. This is the beauty of this. We really create a blockchain for you guys, for the community. You decide, not us.
Great answer. I hope that clarifies a lot from the questions that we've gotten over the past few weeks. It is a community proposal that will need to come to open up the staking rewards and the delegation rewards from validators. So stay tuned. The community will activate it. Speaking about the future, what's coming on KleverChain in the short as well as medium term?
Perfect, man. I've got amazing news about the futures. Over the next month, we intend to launch KOV liquidity pool in Klever Exchange. Wow. Swap in Klever 5. The Klever web extension as well, available in the Chrome Web Store. The Swap web, the independent platform to swap. Okay. More native K-apps in KleverChain to expand the possibility to create new projects. More partnerships with more amazing products running over KleverChain. And the products has Riga showed to us, the Klever on-chain NFT platform. Fantastic product.
Amazing. Yeah, there's a lot coming very shortly, and of course, looking forward on the medium term as well. Community is very excited about the liquidity pools. Of course, Swap coming into K5, completing this new flagship product that's being built further into and inching us closer to official launch. And of course, we have to talk a little bit more before you go about Klever Labs, because as we mentioned, you are not just the product manager of KleverChain, but also Klever Labs. They work very, very close together and really feed off each other for innovation. Can you tell the community more about Klever Labs and which projects are being built under Klever Labs?
Yes, man. First of all, let me explain a little what is Klever Labs is. We are about 15 people divided by eight squads. Yes, 8. There are two functions in the Klever Labs to create and experiment innovation with new projects and develop the Klever OS. The Klever OS is the brain in the heart of the all Klever ecosystem. All products of Klever using Klever OS. And for now, we are working on 4 new projects. The Klever Custody is our custody platform. The Klever Bank that add bank features in the custody, providing a perfect way to create games, another solution over blockchain that without needed of lot of transactions, without needed pay a lot of fee for a lot of transactions. The Klever Bank control the transactions without need to use the chain for that. Okay. The Klever web extension, yes, is in the labs. And the new one, the Klever Metaverse. No deep info about it now, okay, man? But I can say just now, you will really enjoy it. It's a blind mind project as well, man. And talking about labs, I can't leave to mention that Klever Safe, our hardware wallet, was born in the labs. So my big brother Marcelo, you always on the labs team, okay, man? Yes, man, yes. And I can't forget to say a big thank you to all labs teams, and special to Ivo, Beroni, Romulo, Nicolas, and Luis. Thank you guys to support me all the times. You rock, man. Thank you so much.
Bullish on Klever Labs, I'll tell you that. We do have a community question that was sent in before, and I promised, of course, Enzo to ask this. So before we come with the last question, I do want to come with this community question. It's from Enzo in Italy. How do you go about quality control before the release of new blockchain or exchange or wallet features? Essentially, how do you do QA?
Yes, our QA is done in the process. Okay, we our must concern is the quality of the products. We don't release products if we notice that it's not work well, it's not a good experience to use it, and etc. And when we release, in all phases to develop, we check with QA team. But when you release, we continue looking for quality. We monitor your environment, your system, your control, and etc. And we have a quality concern before release and after release. Quality is a main concern in the Kleverman in all the products we have done.
100%. Before we go, I gotta ask you, you're an excited person by nature, but what are you most excited about right now with KleverChain?
Oh, fantastic, man. I'm really excited with the new world, with new possibilities that KleverChain bring to us, bring it to Klever itself, but bring it to the community, bring it to the people, a new world, a new way to do the other things, another way, the better way, the improve your lives, and etc. It's amazing, man. The Klever thing change the world, change the way with the Klever think the thing, the moments, the projects, and etc.
Thank you, Duka. I have to say, this is one of my favorite lives we've ever done, and we've done a lot. You came with so much info, with so much passion, so much knowledge, but also so much future prospects of what's happening behind the scenes. So thank you so much, Duka, for sharing everything you've shared with us today.
Misha, I thank you for having me. You all the best, man. And I want to say that I am so proud of the Klever team. We are really a family. It's beautiful to see how the team work together with passion, doing the best all day, in all squad, how to build better, how to manage better, how to design better, how to motivate us better, all the things. Guys, you rock. And I I can say about the community? Fantastic, our community. More than big thank you, Klever fam. You motivate us all day to improve ourselves, to create new solutions. A big thank you, guys. And always remember, don't settle, be hungry, and always be clever. Thank you, guys.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Duka, for those words. And thank you, everyone out there in the community, wherever you are. It's an honor to serve and to interact with you and to grow with you as a Klever family and as a Klever company. Without you, we are nothing. So thank you, everyone, for coming today and listening in as Duka and Rieger laid out the world to you. And remember, until next time, your only limit is you.